What is up, guys? SA Gaming here, back at again with another video. So, I have 96k and thought, well, let's just have a pack opening. So, we haven't uploaded video in a long time, and now the thing is we got a screen recorder. So, the quality of the videos are going to be much better. So, get ready for that. So let's just get into the pack opening. I'm gonna be opening a bunch of pro packs. Let's just put open later for a bunch of them, and then at the end I'm just gonna open another pro pack with my 250 cash. So there have been a lot of updates in NBA Live Mobile. Like with the NBA ruler, with the what's it called? The fan. Wait, I forgot something. Sorry, guys. Well, I hope we get an elite in these. Let's see. I think that's gonna be the. No, we have one more. And one with the NBA cash. Okay then, guys. So, oh yeah, I'll just show you my team. So, my team did get a lot better. You see 85 franchise rating. I'm a level 45. See that Joel Embiid. Okay, my shooting lineup got a lot better. So, let's get into the pro packs, guys. 13. The first one. Bang. Ooh, a team of the week. Okay. Tony Allen. That's not very good. I hate these daily objectives. They're so trash. Unless they give you coins, but they're only like they're only like like that 200, 100 coins. Storylines and Zach LaVine. There goes another daily objective. Let's quicken this up. Oh, Gordon Hayward actually sells for a bit. Serge Ibaka. Oh my God! John Havlicek! Oh my God! Oh my God! Guys, a legend! Oh my goodness! Oh, my mind is blowing up. Oh my God! And a Paul Millsap. Oh my goodness! Oh, I can't believe what I'm seeing. What if we get two elites in one pack opening? That's 3 more packs. Oh, they trolled me right there. I thought that Impact collectible was an elite. Oh my God. Okay. 77 Noah. Okay, last one. Bang. It's alright. We got a 88 John Havlicek. So let's put highest overall. Lineup master, 85 overall defensive team. And there's our John Havlicek. And now we can sell our LeBron. So that'll be it for the video, guys. Peace.